Suno AI just transitioned from a song generator to a legitimate production workstation with the new samples feature. Before we dive into the how, we need to understand the why. Most users are familiar with covers, which take an existing song and swap the genre while keeping the structure. Sampling is a different language entirely. It's about taking a specific piece of audio DNA, a tiny guitar riff, a drum break, or even your own voice, and using it as the foundation for a brand new composition. In a cover, the AI leads the way. In sampling, you provide the soul of the track. This feature is useful because it gives you control over the rhythm, the texture, and the human feel of the music. Today, I am walking you through the full workflow to turn snippet samples into professional-sounding records. I'm starting here in my workspace. I have an R&B track titled Polaroids in my pocket that has this pop and dreamy atmosphere.
Found your jacket in the back room.
I think it's a cool choice to go with sampling, but I don't want the AI to remake this whole song. You hear that intro with ad-lib vocals? I want that specific texture. I click the 3 dots, go to Remix, Edit, and hit Sample this song. This loads the audio into our dashboard. Here we need to select the portion that we want to create a sample from. I'm dragging the handles to isolate that ad-lib intro at the beginning. Now I don't have lyrics at hand, so I'll just type City Haze into the lyrics box and let Suno's AI generate a story about hazy memories and streetlights. I will select the version with punchier lines for this. For the style, I want to take those airy R&B ad-libs and recontextualize them into a dusty lo-fi jazz hop vibe. I'll hit this button and enhance the prompt to add details like soft piano and vinyl crackle. Now look at the advanced options. This is the most critical part of the tutorial. You see these two sliders, style influence and audio influence. They are in a constant tug-of-war for dominance. If you leave style influence high, the AI will prioritize your text prompt and likely ignore the ad-libs we just isolated. To prevent that, I am dropping style influence to 15% and cranking audio influence up to 80%. I'm essentially telling the AI, the sample is the foundation, the style is just the decoration. Let's hit create.
You don't account, it's that don't believe. Life in my helmet, heart in the intake. White lines are blurring, dashboard is a flare. Thumb on my starter, you in the passenger stare. We live like fast cars burning through the dark. Leave every slave town shrieking in the rear view. Fast hearts crashing like a spark. If this is danger.
That's good. We can certainly hear the roots from the sample we provided to Suno, but now in a lo-fi jazz setting. Next, let's look at iterative sampling, using your own AI creations to spark something new. I'm picking the same lo-fi jazz track I made, but this time to make a sample from itself. This time, I'm isolating a tiny 4-second snippet. Here is the secret. The shorter the sample, the more creative freedom you give Suno. It understands the key and the tone, but it isn't forced to loop a long phrase, which allows it to be much more inventive. I will let Suno generate some lyrics about fast cars. I'm going for a total genre 180 here. For the style, I'm typing 80s retro synthwave with tags for pulsing arpeggios and gated snares. I'll keep the sliders set for high audio influence. Because the sample was just a tiny melodic hint, Suno explodes it into a high-energy, neon-soaked anthem.
You don't account, it's that don't believe. Life in my helmet, heart in the intake. White lines are blurring, dashboard is a flare. Thumb on my starter, passenger stare. We live like fast cars burning through the dark. Leave every slave town shrieking in the rear view. Fast hearts crashing like a spark. If this is danger, I just wanna.
This is how you mine your library for greatness. Now I want to try something crazy. We all know Suno recently introduced samples. So what happens if you use a sound effect as a sample? Let's check it out. I have this 4-second sound effect of metallic swords clashing each other in combat. It's sharp and rhythmic. To turn this into music, go to the remix, edit in the menu, and hit Use as Sample, which loads our sound into the sample interface. Here, I will select the entire duration as the portion for sampling. Now, I want to see if Suno can interpret these metallic hits as a foundational percussion element. For the style, I'm going for a cinematic soundtrack. I'm typing dark cinematic orchestral and adding tags like epic hybrid percussion and industrial textures. Again, I'm keeping the style influence low and the audio influence high. This forces the AI to prioritize the metal-on-metal sound of the swords. Let's see if Suno can turn a battlefield noise into an epic cinematic hit. Okay, that didn't quite come out as I expected. Instead of sampling into the full song, it played my sound effect at the beginning, and then went on to his own thing. Perhaps it contributed to the war combat vibe from the sound effect, but other than that, I don't think our experiment here was a success. For our 4th demo, we're moving away from the library and doing an external upload. This is where you can truly humanize your music. I've recorded a raw audio file of myself singing a simple rhythmic harmony loop. No words, just a da-da-da-da stack.
Da-da-da, 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 da-da-da.
I click Upload Audio and bring that file into the Suno environment. I will click on it and hit Use as Sample. I'll set the theme to Morning Dew for the lyrics. For the style, I want a soulful deep house vibe.
Coffee cup on the windowsill. Steam draws ghosts on the glass. You're barefoot in my old sweater, laughing as the minutes pass. Morning dew on the backyard grass. World still quiet, cars roll past. If this all fades, I'll still choose to wake up here in the morning dew. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not entirely happy that the song's beginning is my own bad voiceover, but here Suno uses my exact sample as the starting point to build the song up. In the song, we can also hear backing vocals and harmony as well, which is definitely inspired by my vocal sample since we didn't mention anything on that in our prompt. And that is a comprehensive look at the Suno Samples feature. Whether you're extracting textures from your library, flipping tiny 3-second seeds into new genres, using sound effects as instruments, or uploading your own voice to act as a rhythmic engine, the power is now in your hands. The best way to learn this is to go into your own library, find those old snippets you forgot about, and see what happens when you flip them. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Suno content.